our base. Tip, 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 tap, tip, tap, tap, tip, 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 tip. Thank you. Let's put specimen 2 at the base. Look! It's beginning. Specimen 1 and 2. We need to give them a box though, because I think they transport as well. So let's give them... We'll put this box here for now. Wait, let's see how fast they go. Specimen 1 is much faster. Oh my god! Can you imagine like 8 of those at the same time? Where's he going? Oh, he craves the blue stone. No? No, he craves a pebble! Look! Oh my god! Okay. I won't get in their way. We can upgrade the base. Yay! Build a bed. And then we're gonna add more Goombas. That doesn't help, does it? Alright. I have enough, no? Oh. What? So good. That is amazing! Oh my gosh! Okay. Look at them attack that stone pile. But don't forget to clean up! You have to clean up! You are not transporting! Okay. You're transporting something, but not what you need to be transporting. How many do we have? 3? We're gonna have more, so... I guess we put one here. I'm very impressed. The very first specimen is still going. Write it down. Specimen 01. Very, very resilient. Hard worker, yes. Thank you, boys. I want windows, actually. I must be able to keep an eye. A bed for my slumbers. Can they come in? God. Here they come. DINO number 2! You live like this? This is all I need. My bed. My bed. Let me help. Thank you, Boomba. Thank you, Boombas. Berry plantation. Okay, that we can do. Wait, they're sleeping. With their eyes open. They command turrets. That's good enough for me. Oh, they're so good. They finished their work. Oh, we have to name them. Wait. Okay. gawrgura 006. Conceited. Interesting. This is gawrgura 07. Agent 007. Oops, that's 6. gawrgura 007. And they are a coward hooligan. Oh boy, okay. And 8. A sadist? Oh no, DINO GURA! What does that mean? Okay, a sadist. This one might be good to bring along. Isn't that right? Come here, get pets, come here. Come here, specimen 001. Thank you! I hope Kiara can play this game more. I want to watch her more. I want her to build a army of cheeky peas. Yeah, KFP didn't need a mod. They already are in the game. Cheeky pea. ダメですよー。だ。サコサコサコ。ニューバーズ。だーちゅーの。